Fact of the day.
Two things for me. One, positivity, challenge. So have you ever thought about, I don't know, a meeting you've got to go to or a bit of work you've got to do, and you've been like, oh, this meeting's going to be so rubbish, it's going to be so boring. This work, I'm never going to do that well on this work. Oh, it's going to be horrendous. And you know what? It is. You go to a meeting and it is rubbish. You try and do the work and you can't do the work. That's because that's what you convince yourself in your head. Because that's you telling yourself that it's going to be like that. Here's what I want you to do. For an hour, a day, a week, a month, a year, whatever, preferably a week, you've got to give these things a chance to try and do it. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to come with positivity. So if you're going to a meeting, then I want you to think this is going to be a really good meeting. It's going to be a really good meeting. Repeat that in your head to yourself. Repeat it out loud to yourself as passionately and as enthusiastically as you possibly can. This is going to be a fantastic meeting. This is going to be an awesome piece of work. It's going to be a great piece of work. I'm going to go to the gym and I'm going to have a really great workout. Just keep repeating it 1, 10, 15, 20, 100 times. Keep repeating it, because then you convince your brain that's what's going to happen. But you have to just keep going over and over and over and over. So if you say, I'm going to do this for a week, and you know what, I've got a meeting tomorrow and I'm really worried about the meeting. No, this is going to be a really good meeting. I'm looking forward to going to the meeting. It's going to be a fantastic meeting. It's going to be a really good meeting. Your challenge is to do the positivity, to repeat these positive affirmations, these positive phrases out loud with passion, or in your head if you like. If you're sitting in the office, go to the toilet, maybe go, this is going to be a really good meeting, it's going to be a really good meeting, it's going to be a really good meeting, it's going to be a really good meeting. You then go to the meeting and boom, there it is. That's what happens, okay? Now, you may be thinking, well, I'm not 100% sure that this is going to work. Let me tell you when it definitely won't work. It definitely won't work if you don't do anything. If you're not repeating these positive things, if you're not going through this, and remember yesterday I talked about your brain, your prefrontal cortex being a experience simulator. That's because you're repeating stuff in your head, and if you focus on that stuff in your head, and it's good stuff, and it's positive stuff, and it's outgoing stuff, and it's enthusiastic stuff, and it's successful stuff, that's what happens. Keep doing that, So please, 1 week, take this challenge. If you do the challenge and something happens, please drop me a comment, send me a message. I'd love to hear from you. This is what I do. I love doing it, and you know, by constantly repeating that stuff, it helps to reinforce it in your mind. Okay, fact of the day. Today's fact of the day is an absolute stupendous one, for me. Anyway, hopefully for you. It's to do with biology. Scientists have been able to take skin cells, and change them into stem cells without going in and changing the genes in the cell. That's incredible. So normally scientists, they get a couple of cells, they put some chemicals in, change the genetics inside the cell, and then the cells then change into other types of cells, which is what a stem cell is. Stem cell is one that can change into different types. But they can do that without putting stuff into the cell. That's incredible. So they do that without putting stuff into the cell. That is amazing. And this means in the future, if you have issues, if you've got problems with your nervous system, with your brain, they can just scrape off some skin cells, scrape a few cells off, boom, 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 bish, bash, bosh, change them, new nervous system brains, new brain cells, pop them into your head. They're not going to be rejected. They're not going to be thrown away because they're part of your body. I love that. Okay, that's it for me. It's been a long one tonight. See you later. Have a beautiful Tuesday. Love you. Bye. Love you. Bye.